to remove background in 1 minute. On your Google web browser, in the URL, type removebackground.bg. Click Remove Background from Image for free. Click Upload Image and locate your file in your computer. The file is Jollibee image, and then click Open. Wait for a few seconds, removing background. Download the Remove Background image. Save in your computer. Let's check your image. Locate the image in your computer. Right-click, copy and paste in the Word document. Bravo! Here is the Jollibee without background. To move the image, click the text wrap. Right-click and then in front of. Now let's check the original Jollibee image. Right-click, copy and paste in the Word document. To move the image, click the text wrap. Right-click and then in front of. Drag at the corner of the image to resize it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.